If you love fresh tomato salsa or pico de gallo, you're going to love this fruit salsa. It has that same fresh flavor, except instead of tomatoes, we're using fruit. I'm using frozen peaches today, but you can use a wide variety of fruit. Then combine that fruit with those traditional fresh salsa ingredients. Put them all together and oh, such intense, amazing flavor. I'm using ours on fish tacos tonight, and it's gonna be delicious. I want to remove all the ice crystals and completely thaw the fruit. And then I want to cut it into small bite-sized pieces. The texture of the frozen fruit will be just fine for this salsa. Sometimes you just need to take a fruit break. There's our peaches, red onion, sweet peppers, hot peppers, fresh ginger. This is very important. Cilantro, cumin, lime juice. Just look at that beautiful color. Oh, I'm just gonna let this sit, let all those flavors meld together.